Hi guys, in this video I will share with you how to make your TikTok account from private to public on iPhone. What you need to do, first just go to TikTok app and then just click profile. After that, click on the three lines on the top right and then privacy. You see here private account, it's on, just click here to turn it off. Change to public account and then click confirm. This is what you need to do if you want to make your TikTok account public. I hope this video is helpful, and don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscriber yet. Thank you and see you.